Happy first birthday to our Princess Kaya. Hiling ko lang sa Panginoon na lagi kanyang gabayan sa iyong paglaki. Bigyan ka ng malakas at malusog na pangangatawan. At lumaki na may takot sa Diyos. Galang mo ang iyong mga magulang. At syempre, hiling ko pa rin na bigyan ka ng liwanag at bigyan ng magandang pamumuhay pagdating ng araw. Kaya wish ko lang na makatapos ka rin ng iyong pag-aaral someday para mapili mo rin lahat ang mga gusto mo, maging maganda ang pamumuhay mo. So again, happy first birthday, Kaya. See you soon, baby. I love you. God bless.
On your birthday, I just want to remind you how much you mean to all of us. You're truly a gift from God, and I pray that His grace fills every part of your life. Happy first birthday, Kaya Emma. God bless, anak. Sana lumaki kang malusog, laging malakas, ilayo ka ni Lord sa anumang kapahamakan. We love you so much, Kaya Emma. We're so excited to see you soon, anak. God bless you more. We love you so much. Mwah, chup, chup.
Happy first birthday para sa ating paboritong Mars, Camille Pratt. Happy first birthday to our dearest baby cousin. Excited namin makita ka, kulitin, panggigilan at asarin. Ang saya lang kasi ngayon, ikaw na yung pinakabunso namin. Our little baby Spartan. Hintayin mo lang na lumaki ka. Kami ang magiging kakampi mo at kukonsente sa'yo. Secret lang natin yan. Stay healthy, happy, and lovable always. We love you, Kaya, and see you soon!
Happy first birthday, Kaya. Even though miles separate us, our love for you reaches all the way there. It's amazing to think how much joy you've brought to the family in just 1 year. Your smiles, laughter, and tiny milestones means everything to us. May you grow up healthy, happy, and surrounded by love wherever you are. We can't wait for the day we get to see you in person. Sending you big hugs, kisses, and lots of birthday love on your very special day.
Hi Kaya! Happy birthday! And I know that I haven't met you personally, but I want to tell you that you already hold a very special place in my heart. And as you step on your first birthday, I wish you good health and more birthdays to come. And as you grow up, I wish you to be healthy, happy, and surrounded by love by everyone around you. And I can't wait to see you here in the Philippines, and I can't wait for the memories we are about to make when that day comes. Wishing you all the best, and happy birthday again, Kaya. I love you.
Happy first birthday to our little baby girl, Kaya. Time flies so fast, it feels like yesterday you were born, and now you're already 1 year old. We can't wait to see you grow. We always wish and pray for you to grow strong and healthy. We love you so much. See you soon!
Happy first birthday, Kaya. Wishing you from a little bundle to a bright smiling baby has been pure magic. May your year filled with lots of cuddles, kisses, and endless love. See you soon.
Happy first birthday, Kaya, and happy christening. I wish you all the best and we're excited to see you soon. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Kaya. See you soon. I love you. Mwah.